In this video, I'll show you how to get your Supabase Anon public API key step by step. First, go to the Supabase website and log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, you will see your dashboard with your projects. Select the project where you want to get the API key. Once inside the project, look for the three dots menu and click on it to open more options. Now click on Settings to access the project configuration page. On the left sidebar, find the section called API Keys and click on it. On this page, you will see important connection information related to your project. Look for the Anon public key, which is commonly used for front-end applications. Click on the Copy button to copy the key you need. Make sure to store this key safely so you can use it later in your application.